struggle to swim before it drags me under. The lifeline you found dissolves before it reaches. I will it to stay. I try to believe, but no matter what I do, I'm still sinking. No matter what you say, I'm still breaking. Sick to my stomach and it's dragging me in. I cling to the shore, but I keep drifting in the dead of the night. The blackest waters, I struggle to swim before it drags me under. The debris I search, I must keep looking for the pieces of myself I used to be. Impenetrable, unbreakable, infallible, but I played the game and I lost it